Hello, welcome to my channel. So today in my vlog I'm gonna make the easiest and the healthiest and the most delicious recipe under 5 minutes, because I'm always running late and also I don't have all the amenities over here, but the girl has chosen to be healthy. So today I'm gonna make a very healthy Nutella and quinoa. Yeah, I'm carrying my quinoa like this because I don't have a dabba and I am traveling. Girl needs to do jugaad because jugaad के बिना life में कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. So this is my ingredient list. Don't worry, I'm gonna buy a dabba today because I'm gonna go to the market and I'm gonna fetch for some dabbas. Then this is butter, vegetables, soya granules and dalia. Dalia basically I'm gonna give it to my dog with the soya granules, so she really likes it. And उसमें थोड़ा पनीर add करके I give it to her. This basically is for me. This is what I'm gonna cook today. So let's get started. Also, like, if you can notice, I'm obsessed with these headbands. Like, if you have been to Ladakh and if you're planning to go to Ladakh, just like be mindful कि आप हजारों headbands ना खरीद लो because they are frequently available and वो सारे के सारे इतने cute होते हैं. I can also wear it like this. Yeah, you can like see I am obsessed with these headbands. मेरी और मेरी सिस्टर ने तो ऑलरेडी लाइक ये 15-20 खरीद लिए हैं एंड वी आर लाइक, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम एक शॉप बना सकते हैं इन हेडबैंड्स की. हमारे पास इतनी सारी हेयर एक्सेसरीज हैं. And this is how it turned out. I am so happy with the result. I'm gonna plate it now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one.